Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I told you all, I have started now making video on aptitude. The very first video, aptitude math, just like a quiz, I have already uploaded on YouTube. And this will be the second video on aptitude, that is aptitude reasoning. And as I promised in the very first video, I will be making video on aptitude English also, aptitude GK also, and admission interview process. If after clearing the CAT exam, JAT exam, MAT exam, whenever you will be appearing for any admission interview in any top institute of this country, for that AWA, analytical writing assessment, word association test, group discussion, group exercise, group task, personal interview, okay, and essay writing, case study writing, everything I will make video one by one, step by step, whenever I will get time for that, okay. But definitely I promise you all I will making video on that also, so that you will have complete knowledge, information, exposure. Let's start with the aptitude reasoning part. As I told in the very first video, this is I am starting from, actually I have started from the scratch, I have started from the beginning. If you are very good at reasoning also, you can also solve, you can take this as a quiz, and you are supposed to solve these questions, 7 question, 8 question, whatever, if I have given, within 3 minutes. Remember this, any quiz, anybody is supposed to solve within 3 minutes. If you are able to solve within 3 minutes, it means you are very good at that particular subject, okay. Let's start with this. The very first part is odd man out. Odd man out means you know very well what is the odd man out. If you have already passed matriculation exam, you know very well, out of these 4 options, which one is not related to that particular option, that is that particular alternative, that is odd man out, which is not even near to that meaning, okay. Let us start with the first one. Question number 1, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Jharkhand. What is odd man out? These are the 4 states are there. What is not, one is not common, and that is called odd man out. So in this option, Jharkhand is not common, okay, that is odd man out. Why? Because Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu belongs to South India, and Jharkhand comes under Northeast India, especially Northeast India, okay. So this is odd man out. Now, Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Kerala. What is odd man out here? Just try to find out. Maharashtra comes under which part of India? Goa which part of India? Gujarat which part of India? And Kerala which part of India? So Kerala is odd man out because Kerala belongs to South India, and all these 3 states belongs to West India, okay. So this is Kerala is odd man out. Now the third one, Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. KCR, Mr. Jagan and Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav from UP, earlier ex-chief minister, okay. So what is the odd man out here? Very simple, as you know very well, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav is odd man out because presently he is not the chief minister of UP. Who is the present chief minister of UP? Mr. Yogi Adityanath, okay. But these 3 people, personality are already presently, they are chief minister. Mr. Nitish Kumar from Bihar, Mr. KCR from Telangana, and Mr. Jagan from AP, Andhra Pradesh, okay. Choose the correct one. Choose the correct one. Emperor, the Ashoka. King, the Maharana Pratap. Both are wrong, both are correct. What do you think? Ashoka was the emperor or not? Mr. Maharana Pratap was king or not? What do you think? Both are correct or wrong? So under this option, both are correct. Because Ashoka the Great and the Akbar the Great, only 2 emperors were in India, were very famous actually, to very frank. And there were several kings. In India, before independence, there were almost 567 or 76 provinces were there. And provinces were just like the small states, princely states, okay. And all princely states used to have separate king for that. So that Maharana Pratap comes under that particular king part. So both are correct. Question number 2. India GDP at present $3 trillion. What do you think? Just try to recall. India per capita income $2,000 per annum. Both are correct or both are incorrect? What do you think? Both are correct. India GDP presently is $3 trillion and India per capita income is $2,000 per annum. Per capita income is always measured per annum wise, not monthly wise, not daily wise, okay. Question number 3. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Both are correct, both are incorrect. What do you think? Both are correct because Punjab and Haryana share the same capital. Earlier it was with the AP and Telangana also having the same capital Hyderabad, but now divided. Okay, match the following. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer, you might have heard about this. Sphygmomanometer. Okay. Here it is, first option is earthquake. Seismograph. Second option is speed. Odometer. Third option is humidity. And hygrometer. Fourth option is blood pressure. This is related to relationship between instrument and natural tools. What do you think? Sphygmomanometer measures what? Blood pressure. A is related to 4. You might have seen blood pressure instrument that is known as sphygmomanometer. Okay. Seismograph. Seismograph measures what? Earthquake. First one. Okay. Odometer. Odometer measures speed. Car. Odometer. Scooter, which measures the speed, that is known as odometer. And hygrometer measures humidity. This is correct option related to this. Match the following. Now second question. Well, ostrich, lizard, butterfly, and here the option is bird, mammal, insect, reptiles. So whale is a type of, what do you think? Bird, mammal, insect, or reptiles. Bird is a type of, whale is a type of mammal. It comes under mammal group. Ostrich is a type of bird. Lizard is a type of reptiles. And butterfly is a kind of a type of insect. These are the correct match for that. Match the following. Here, leap year. This is very simple for everyone. And leap year. How many days in a leap year? 360 days, as we know. And in a year, it's a 365 days if it is not leap year. Okay. Fortnight. Fortnight means 15 days. 50 days equivalent to fortnight. Year is equivalent to 12 months and week is equivalent to 7 days. This is very simple. So this is all about basic aptitude reasoning. This is difficulty level 1. After that level 2, then level 3. One by one, step by step, I will come to all the levels. And this is simply beginning for all of you. Try to learn and share with your all family, friends and relatives. And don't forget to watch all those videos which I have already uploaded on YouTube. More than 100 videos are there. Watch for complete knowledge, exposure, learning. It's mixed both in Hindi and English. If you understand Hindi also, you can watch that also. Okay. And some of the videos are English. This video will be definitely in English. All those academic part will be always in English. And motivational and soft skill part will be mixed. That is English and Hindi both. Okay. So thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.